It's hot as fuck out here. What up, G? We got a Toyota Corolla that's right here, stuck in the garage, lost key, in park with the electronic parking brake set. Them electronic parking brakes are a pain in the ass. So, as you can see, I ain't got very much room right here, so I'm probably not going to put the dollies on there just because of the fact that, I got plenty of room here, but not so much right here. So, what we're going to do instead is we're going back to trucking here. We're going to throw the Go Jacks on those front wheels since they are turned and the steering wheel is locked. Then we're going to sting the back of it with the truck, pick the ass end up off the ground, and then we're going to slow roll it out into the driveway, away from that shelf and all that shit, man. It's 103 degrees out here in Phoenix. I'm about to put in some real work to get this car up out of here. We're going to make sure that we don't drag. We don't fuck up the driveway, the garage flow. All right, so the first step is done. Okay. Go Jacks are on the front end. Back end's connected to the truck. I think we Gucci where we at. Let's not press our luck. Let's get them Go Jacks off and let's swap them out for a different piece of equipment. All right, that's all done. As you can see here, got it hooked up. Just gotta throw a few more things on it real quick to secure it, but it is done. I actually had to get in the truck, take a break because it's fucking hot. We're gonna roll this thing on out to South Central Phoenix, back to the rental car company, get it dropped off so they can do their thing with the keys. And yeah, we can get out of the heat. I'm gonna cut y'all off right now. Something else pop off. I'll hit that button and let y'all see about it, tell a story about it. But until then, again, I appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe, like, share. If you got any comments, questions, concerns, anything, drop them down there. You know where they go. Until then, I'll catch y'all on the next one.